Welcome friends. In lecture number 2 of Guideline for Students who are preparing MS Set exam, Mathematical Science paper 2nd, that is Maharashtra State Eligibility Test for Assistant Professor. In lecture number 1, we have seen 3 examples on differential equation which were asked in Set exam. Now today we are continuing differential equation. So let us see question number 4. Friends, this is question number 4 given. 4 options are given and we have to find which one is the correct answer. Okay, let us see. Solution. The given partial differential equation is, okay. Now if we compare this equation with the principal part of the second order partial differential equation, we get so friends, this is principal part of second order partial differential equation. Now if you compare this with given equation, you will get A is equal to Y. Okay, this B is equal to XY because 2B is equal to 2XY, that means B is equal to XY only. And this C is equal to what? X. Okay. Now to determine whether this is hyperbolic, parabolic or elliptical, we use discriminant delta. Discriminant delta, that is B square minus AC, is what? B square, that means XY, its square. AC, A is Y and C is X. In short, X square Y square minus XY. So if you take XY common, you will get XY minus 1. Okay. Now, you know B square minus AC is positive. Then and then this is hyperbolic. For hyperbolic, what is the condition? B square minus AC should be positive. This is the condition. So therefore this XY minus 1 is positive. But there are 2 possibilities, you know. If XY is positive, then and then this product is positive. Because XY is positive, then XY minus 1 is also positive. Okay, that means this product is positive. Second possibility is what? XY is negative. If XY is negative, this XY is negative. So negative will also negative. So negative into negative, that will become positive. Therefore, there are 2 possibilities. So this implies XY is positive or XY is negative. So there are the 2 possibilities. Number 1, if XY is suppose positive, then xy minus 1 is also positive. Okay, therefore xy is greater than 1. But in options, there is no option given xy is positive or xy is greater than 1. See, these are the 4 options. There is no option which will say you xy is positive and xy is greater than 1. So definitely this assumption is not possible here. Therefore second, xy is negative. So therefore the correct option is what? C. xy is negative. Okay. So this is example number 5. We have to say which one is correct option. Here wave equation and heat equation are given. So you should know what is wave equation, what is heat equation. Okay. See. Solution. Now wave equation. Standard wave equation. So this is standard wave equation. We can write this as taking this to left side. Okay. Now if we compare this with the principal part of the equation with variable x and t, okay, then you can write a uxx plus 2b uxt plus c utt is equal to 0. When variables are x and t, then this is the principal part of the equation. Okay. Now if you compare this with this, you will get a is equal to c square, b is equal to, here is xt term is absent, therefore b is equal to 0 and tt, that means, so c is equal to what? Minus 1. Now you know we have to find whether it is parabolic or hyperbolic. Then b square minus ac is equal to 0 square minus a is c square and c is minus 1. So this product is positive, that is equal to c square positive. But square of any term is positive, you know. So this term is positive. So definitely b square minus ac is positive. And this indicates that the given equation is hyperbolic. And if it is hyperbolic, then it is not parabolic. But condition first says wave equation is of parabolic type. So this is wrong. So this indicates that statement first is wrong. Okay. Now we have to consider second, that is heat equation. Okay. And which is elliptic or not. So standard heat equation, considering second, heat equation ut minus alpha uxx, this is equal to 0. This is heat equation. So this equation we can write taking this alpha uxx this side and this also to right side, it will become ut, that is equal to 0. Now comparing with principal part, this is the principal part, and if you compare this equation, you will get what? A is equal to alpha. There is no xt term, so B is equal to 0. And there is no utt term, so C is equal to 0. There is only T, not utt. Remember. So again, B square minus AC will give you what? 0 square minus A is alpha, C is 0. So that means this is 0. If B square minus AC is 0, then definitely this type is parabolic, not elliptic. Therefore, the type is parabolic but not elliptic. But according to second statement, heat equation is elliptic. And we have proved this is parabolic, not elliptic. So definitely second statement is also false. Therefore, so second statement is false. That means both first and second statement false. And therefore, option D is correct option. That is, both first and second statements are false. Okay. So friends, let's stop here. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.